Hi, so first I'm going to talk about three topics that I learned and went over in math this year. The first one is literature circles. I didn't know that you could use this in math, and so I picked it because I thought it was interesting how we used it in math and connected reading and math together. When you can put two different subjects together, I think that's really accomplishing a lot. So I really liked how we integrated reading into math and how we were able to come up with our own problems based on what was happening in the story. I think it'll really help students understand how math is involved in everyday life and that they're not just learning this for the fun of it. The next thing that I picked was computation strategies. I liked how we learned different ways to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, how we did grouping and different things like that. I really liked knowing those ways because I think every kid learns differently, and knowing different ways to help those kids is really going to help me a lot as I am a teacher and as I grow to help them with those strategies. So I thought that was really important, and I enjoyed learning hands-on ways to help them. So I liked using the manipulative kit, and I thought it was really beneficial that we were forced, I guess, to buy them for the class. My last topic that I want to talk about was fractions, which as a child I always dreaded fractions. I didn't really understand them. I basically only knew it if I were to draw a picture. But through this class, I was glad that I learned different ways to use manipulatives to help them with fractions and just hands-on ways to help them see how one is bigger than the other and just comparison ways. So I really enjoyed that, and I think it's going to help me as a teacher as well. So the second question is what I learned about Common Core. I really liked how you showed us how they have those worksheets for parents to help kids with certain problems and stuff. I really liked that, and it would also help me as well to give kids example problems over what we're actually be learning that can be tied to the standards. And I also learned that each standard in the grades build off of the previous standards. So like second grade standards build off the first grade standards, and it just keeps going on and on. So the third thing is things that I want to continue learning. So one thing that I want to work on still is my facts and knowing my multiplication, division, addition, subtraction facts better and faster. I used to be pretty good at it, but I guess as time went on, I've gotten a little rusty, so just maybe doing those once a year and just brushing up again, I think would really help me as a teacher. Another thing that I want to focus on is learning different teaching strategies. I liked how this class helped me learn new ones, and I want to continue building on that as well. And the last thing that I want to work on is my word problems and just helping kids understand what the problem is asking and knowing the steps to take with that. So thanks for being a great teacher, and have a good summer break, and I'll see you for Block 1.